Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. The Emerging Tokenized Economy Part 1. Next, Pro-XRP lawyer says Coinbase has 40% chance of winning motion to dismiss SEC lawsuit. Also, imminent dollar decline will trigger massive crypto blow-off top, according to Glassnode founders. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline is an article from Ripple, The Emerging Tokenized Economy Part 1. At the end of 2022, the Monetary Authority of Singapore announced that Project Guardian had completed its first live trades. Believed to be the first time a major bank had tokenized deposits on a public blockchain, the project brought together DBS Bank, JP Morgan, and SBI Digital Asset Holdings to conduct foreign exchange and government bond transactions on the Polygon network. This is just one example of the growing movement to tokenize real-world assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate, and more with blockchain technology. Businesses are clamoring to develop strategies to join the tokenized economy, driven by the superior capabilities of moving and managing tokenized assets on a blockchain, including access to always-on markets, improved efficiency and automation, improved data transparency, security, encryption capabilities, and greater financial agility and flexibility, to name a few. The first installment of a three-part series around tokenization and the impact to global business charts the evolution and growing adoption of this groundbreaking technology. Specifically, how and why more enterprises are turning to tokenization to unlock liquidity, enhance efficiency, and realize transparency, ultimately delivering on the promise of the Internet of Value. From crypto payments to global asset transformation. As knowledge of the benefits of crypto grows, finance leaders and corporations have focused on streamlining payments. While payments remain a pivotal use case for crypto today, industries are also exploring the potential for blockchain to reduce frictions associated with illiquid assets. Although real-world asset tokenization is nascent, it's a natural step in the evolution of blockchain technology. Traditional financial institutions are recognizing the benefits that blockchain can bring, particularly in terms of increasing liquidity. The Boston Consulting Group predicts that tokenized assets could represent a $16 trillion business opportunity, constituting 10% of global GDP by 2030. This sentiment is echoed in Ripple's 2023 New Value Report, which found that 50% of global finance leaders believe tokenization will have significant impacts on nearly every asset class, including bonds, private equity, real estate, commodities, derivatives, and carbon markets. Token pioneers lead the way. The tokenization revolution is already underway, with visionary companies pioneering the transformative potential across multiple sectors. The common through line that tokens can provide to market participants is increased liquidity and interoperability between assets and blockchains. Take the voluntary carbon credit market, for example, which currently operates as a private market where information is hard to access. Carbon credit data gathering, managing, and sharing is extremely fragmented and opaque and relies on manual processes. This lack of transparency, combined with antiquated processes, data performance reports, and carbon credit certificates are still issued as PDFs, creates an opportunity for manipulation and extractive fees that impede scalability. Companies like Thalo are overcoming these issues by tokenizing carbon credits so data is moved, managed, and recorded on the blockchain. By tokenizing carbon credits, companies can leverage a fully transparent carbon credit platform and access a market that allows for trading of high-quality carbon credits and green bonds. Thalo is driving more transparent pricing and greater liquidity, enabling more efficient trading of carbon credits by connecting the right sellers with the right buyers. Beyond carbon credits, a range of tokenization use cases in financial services applications are also gaining momentum. In November of 2023, HSBC announced that the company will work with MATIC to develop a digital asset custody service for institutional clients that plan to invest in tokenized securities or tokenized gold. Singapore's DBS Bank issued a tokenized bond on its digital platform. The token is traded in lots of $10,000 versus the typical $250,000, making the token more accessible to a wider range of investors. Tokenized funds from asset managers like Hamilton Lane and KKR also offer reduced investment thresholds, increased liquidity, and broader investor participation. Pivoting to another industry plagued with liquidity issues, real estate transactions, historically slow, cumbersome, and time-consuming, are also being streamlined through tokenization. Blockchain startups like Propi are introducing smart contract technology and NFT real estate transactions to enable rapid property purchases. Stablecoins like Home can also support democratized real estate investment by providing end users with greater accessibility to the residential mortgage market, which has traditionally been monopolized by large investors such as the U.S. government and ultra-high net worth individuals. Tokenization has the power to turn real estate on its head, transforming an industry defined by illiquid assets into one that is faster, more secure, and transparent. Tokenization is here to stay. Of the more than 1,700 finance leaders that took part in Ripple's recent global survey, 72% expect to explore tokenization in the next 3 years, solidifying the technology's place as a cornerstone of innovation. The benefits of blockchain can provide businesses the flexibility needed to capitalize on changing market conditions and access a more diverse set of asset classes. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Pro-XRP lawyer says Coinbase has 40% chance of winning motion to dismiss SEC lawsuit. XRP supporter and lawyer John Deaton is weighing in on the possibility of Coinbase emerging victorious in a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against the U.S.-based crypto exchange. Speaking at the iConnections Global Alts Conference, Deaton says Coinbase has a big chance of getting SEC's lawsuit tossed out before going into trial. The SEC filed the lawsuit in June of 2023, accusing Coinbase of operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. In the same month, Coinbase filed a motion to dismiss the SEC's suit against it. Says Deaton, right now, they have a motion to dismiss, and normally at this stage, a motion to dismiss, as a lawyer, I would tell you has a 5% chance at best. I put Coinbase's up near the 40% range, which is big for a motion to dismiss. Deaton also predicts that Coinbase will emerge victorious even if a court decides to take the lawsuit to full trial. But ultimately, they're going to win. The question is, do they win at the district court level? Do they win at the Second Circuit? Everyone agrees that if it gets to the Supreme Court, the current makeup of the Supreme Court, they're going to invoke major questions. The thing is this: 1 out of 4 adults in the U.S. own crypto. People in the United States want access to this asset class, and so what we're seeing right now is the control factor. Earlier this month, hedge fund veteran Anthony Scaramucci reportedly said Coinbase is likely to prevail over the SEC at some point as the lawsuit moves through the courts. The Coinbase case will be a very big instrumental case. I predict we will win that case. And by the way, we may lose it here, but Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong will win it in the Supreme Court. Our next top headline, imminent dollar decline will trigger massive crypto blow-off top, according to Glassnode founders. Closely followed crypto analysts say that a weakening US dollar will lead to a huge rally in digital assets in the near future. Glassnode co-founders Jan Happel and Jan Alleman, who share the Negentropic handle on the social media platform X, say that the dollar index, or DXY, is nearing the end of a bounce which will ultimately lead to a large decline. The DXY compares the US dollar to a basket of other major foreign currencies and is often used to gauge the strength of risk assets. Using Elliott wave theory, which suggests that price corrections happen in 3 major waves, the analysts say that DXY is about to finish its second wave, an upward impulse, before dropping down to new local lows, propelling crypto and other risk assets upward. Everything is about DXY. Strong DXY equals risk assets struggle. Weak DXY equals risk assets rally. DXY top was in October 2023, first leg until late December 2023. In 2024, DXY has been bouncing. We believe this has been a wave 2 bounce and that it is done. Now, DXY is to begin its decline, hence risk assets should soar. We believe this will be the driver of a crypto blow-off top. Happel and Alleman recently called for Bitcoin to go parabolic after printing a similar corrective pattern seen in the previous 2 bull markets. Using Fibonacci extensions, the analysts forecast a $120,000 price tag for BTC sometime around July of this year, much sooner than what most analysts are currently expecting. BTC has moved to the 6.618 Fibonacci extension after a bull flag correction. We are currently in a small correction like in late 2017 and late 2020. Will history rhyme in 2024 and BTC move to its 6.618 Fib extension in this bull market? That would give us a target of $120,000. Time will tell. At time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $43,302. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.